Hello, ESL 90 students. This is your April 6th video, and I wanted to just go over a little bit of grammar. It was your optional chapter, but we're going to talk about a few things anyway. So the first is this present or future unreal condition. And I wanted to remind you that we'll say were for everybody here. Normally the past tense, he was, she was, it was, but here we're going to say if he were, if it were, if she were. It's just an irregular thing. So here's an example. If I had time, now remember would is the past tense of will, but you can change it a little bit. You could say would, could, that's ability, might, that's maybe. So if I had time, I would take a class, could take a class, might take a class. So what you know here is that the person does not have time. The person is busy. So telling you probably it's not possible in the future there. Then we have another one here. She would be happy if she were a nurse. So we know that she's not a nurse and she kind of wishes that she were a nurse over here. I just wanted to show you that you can start with the condition or you can start with the result. If you start with the condition, you'll have a comma. If you start with the result, notice there's no comma over here. The past unreal, I told you, is a nightmare of verbs. So here's an example. I would have called you if I had remembered your number. You know two things. I didn't call, I didn't remember your number. So I'm thinking of the past of something that's not possible, not true. Here's another one. He would have taken out the garbage if you had asked him to. So you didn't ask him to take out the garbage, so he didn't do it. Another thing here is pronunciation. So when we use this, I would have called, when we're speaking, we'll probably say I would have called instead of would have. So this will come together and you won't hear these very, very clearly, all these words in here. Also with the had, if I'd remembered your number. So if I had remembered, if I'd remembered. So pronunciation, you do have a practice in that lesson 13. That was our optional one. You can listen to that on the textbook website that they gave you for free. So I will make another video for you on Sunday. We start back to school on Monday, April 13th. So have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.